Just wanted to make a quick video here, show you this keyboard I bought off of the website AliExpress. I paid about $40 for it, and was including free shipping. I said, why not? We'll give it a try. I've never really had a mechanical keyboard before. The current keyboard I use is a Razer Senosa Chroma. Really good keyboard, but I wanted to try out a mechanical one, and I didn't want to spend the $100+ that I would have to get to get a decent one. So I figured, why not try a $40 one from the internet, and it came in today. It does look like it encountered a little bit of damage here during shipping, but I ordered this about 2 months ago, and it took quite a while to get here. Again, it just arrived today, so but that's fine. Free shipping, so we kind of expect that. Anyways, I'm going to open up the box, show you, have a look what's inside. It's still sealed, and we do have a fair bit of damage on the bottom here as well. So hopefully it's in good condition. I do have to apologize for the lighting and the location. I'm filming this at night in my bedroom, and the lighting in here is not so great. So let's see if we can get the tape off of the tabs here. If we can get the tape off of the tabs, we'll be able to open it up and show you what's inside. There we go. And there. That one. Try the knife again. There we go. Finally, the second tab out. Open it up. And we shall see what we have inside. Yeah, seems to be fairly well packaged. We have some wrapping around the keyboard here. And we also have a cardboard spacer in here to fill up the rest where the cable is. And it also comes with a wrist rest, so that actually would be good. I haven't had one of these on a keyboard in a long time, and I kind of miss it, so we'll have that. It also comes with a little user's manual, and I realize that the camera's all over the place here, so again, my apologies about that. But we have the user manual, which it's just a plain keyboard, so there really isn't much to know. Keyboard is made by Havit, and it's a Game Note. So you can see here it's a Game Note. What do we also have here? We also have a little card. Oh, it's like the support card, that sort of thing. And here we have it. The full keyboard. Again, bad lighting, I'm aware of that. Let's see if we can put that over here. And if you can see that, there's the keyboard. Yeah, it seems to be, the keys seem okay. Rather well built, sorry. It's about as clicky and noisy as I expected it to be. And looks like there's some additional function maybe available there. It looks like maybe it's brightness or contrast or something like that, but there's doesn't look like the letters are really well printed on there, but we'll see. Anyways, that's what I'm going to show you for now. As soon as I get the keyboard plugged into my computer, I will take another little quick video to add on to the end of this. So hey guys, I got my keyboard hooked up to my laptop here on the coffee table in the living room, and this thing's pretty cool. I've been playing around with it for a bit, and as you can see, we got a little bit of a light show going on. One of the cool things we can do is, well, first of all, there's no drivers or software or anything required for this. Everything's done on the keyboard itself. and we use this little function key here so that we can change what's displayed. So for example, if we hit function and the number 1 key, we get just the WASD and the caps lock key highlighted. We hit number 2, we get some more keys, 3, 4, 5. Some of them don't do anything at all. But the other thing we can do is we can hit function and F9, and we can change the various displays of what the LEDs are doing. We can hit it a few times. You can see what you get here, all kinds of different patterns. Here we got one that scrolls across the screen, and this will be the good one. A good one to demonstrate what I'm going to show you next here is we can also speed up and slow down the rate at which the LED patterns move by hitting function and then plus or minus. So if we hit plus, it'll go, it's about as fast as it goes, but that's pretty cool. And then we can, by hitting function and minus, we can slow it down. We can also adjust the brightness of the lights by hitting the function and page down, and things start to flash when we get down to the bottom. But if we do function page up to 1, that's about as dim as it goes. It doesn't seem to make a huge difference, but you may not be able to see it in the video, but if you're sitting in front of the keyboard, you can definitely see the brightness of that going up and down. What else can we do? Using this function key, we can also do various things such as mute the sound, turn it up and down. I accidentally hit F9. Maybe this will see here. You might be better to see the brightness go up, which is pretty neat. We can open up Explorer. We can open up default browser. We can open up the default mail application. Here you see that. And we can do the calculator, which is pretty standard for most multimedia keyboards. What else? Well, as most keyboards do, we have the Windows key, as it's a Windows-based keyboard. And let's take a look and see how it types. So if we open up Notepad, it always takes a bit to get used to a new keyboard, but it actually feels pretty nice. I don't know what kind of switches it has, if it even said on the listing on AliExpress, but it seems pretty good. And I mean, for $40, what can you really expect? I think it was $42 actually, but what can you really expect? But anyways, that kind of shows you a little bit. We do have some other functions here that. Now that changes the color. If you want to just have colors instead of a pattern, or or like a non-flashing pattern. I'm not quite sure what the left and right buttons do, but that's pretty neat. And I'll show you one of the other things that when you first plug in the keyboard, you get. We'll unplug it, and we'll plug it back in, and we get a heart. I thought that was pretty cool. Anyways, you can't really go too wrong with a $40 keyboard, I guess. I mean, it could be really bad, it could be really good. For anybody interested, the model number is HV-KB432L. 104 keys, 5 volts, and draws 400 milliamps of current. So, and it's also made by Havit. I've seen quite a bit of items on AliExpress from these guys. They seem to be okay. If you do have one of these, or if you try one of these yourself, or if you end up getting one, by all means, please post a comment in the comment section below, and we'll see you again next time.